New to AutoCAD? This guide will introduce you to the basics of this popular CAD software. Learn how to navigate the interface, create drawings, and use essential tools to bring your designs to life. Open AutoCAD. Choose Tool. Click the Line or Polyline tool. Start point. Click to begin. End point. Click to finish a segment. Continue. For more segments, click again. Polyline only. Stop. Press Escape. Click the Circle tool to draw a circle. Click the location on the drawing area where the circle's center should be. Drag the mouse outward and click to select the radius. Click the Arc tool to draw a curved line. Click the mouse at the starting point. Move the mouse and then click to end the segment. Move the mouse in the direction of the curve you want and click to curve the line. Click the Rectangle tool to create a rectangle. The Rectangle tool is simple. Click the first point, which will be any corner of the rectangle, and then drag the mouse until the rectangle is the size you want. Click the mouse to place the rectangle. Click the Polygon tool to a multi-sided shape. Move the cursor to the drawing area. You'll see a box that says, Enter the number of sides. Type the number of sides and press Enter or Return. Click the center point of your shape. Move the mouse to the desired size and click to place the shape. Click the Ellipse tool to create an oval. An ellipse is created by placing 3 points. Click the desired center point. Move the mouse to the desired size and click a second point. Move the mouse to shape the ellipse and click to place the shape. Use the Hatch tool to fill a shape with a pattern. It's the square at the bottom right corner of the Draw panel in the toolbar. Click the tool, then click a shape to fill it. You can choose any of the patterns or solid fills that appear in the Pattern panel that shows in the toolbar while Hatch is enabled. Use the tools in the Modify panel to edit your shapes. Click Move to move a line or shape. After clicking the tool, click the object you want to move and then drag it anywhere. You can select multiple objects at once to move them as a group. Click Rotate, and then select a shape to turn it clockwise or counterclockwise. Use the Mirror tool if you want to flip an object or a shape. Click Scale, and then select a shape to change its size. Click Stretch if you want to resize an image by stretching it rather than keeping it scaled. The Trim tool lets you cut a segment or side of an object that meets the border of another object. The Fillet and Chamfer tools let you create curved and sharp vertices by intersecting 2 selected sides. Click one of the Array tools, Rectangular Array, Path Array, or Polar Array,